Happy Wednesday. It's time for our chart of the week. We're going to be focused in on big investment bank Goldman Sachs today. GS is the symbol. So let's take a look at this chart here, and you can see it had some really nice moves here since the start of the year. You can see that this made a nice little parabolic move here, parabolic shape here of higher highs and higher lows. And more recently has come back down over here, and you can see it's got the characteristics of what's called a cup and a handle pattern. So making a nice little cup here with a handle down here, which means that the stock has gotten a little bit frothy here at the early part of May and pulled back down and came back down on lower volume. That's what you like to see. But take a look at what the recent action over here. So we had some resistance here. We had a little channel here, and the stock on Monday, June 24th, broke out on pretty good volume. Now, obviously not the volume that we saw last Friday. Of course, last Friday, the 21st of June, was an expiration day, and we had some unusual, enormous volume on that day, but still pretty strong volume for Goldman Sachs on Monday on a breakout here. So we see the cloud is strong. We see the stock has bounced off also the 50 level on RSI. Money flow could be a little bit better, but I think we're going to get a little bit more money flow as we move into July. Earnings season starts in the first couple weeks of July, and we'll also see the banks, not just Goldman Sachs, but JP Morgan, Bank of America, Citigroup, Wells Fargo, Morgan Stanley, all reporting earnings in the first week and a half, 2 weeks of July. So that could be a nice catalyst to get the stock moving. We're literally 8.5 points off of an all-time high, which is very, very small. The stock could clip that in a day or two. We're looking for some follow-through to the upside here. And if we get that, I think that Goldman Sachs has got some room over the next couple months to get to 500, which would be about a 10% move to the upside. So take a look at Goldman Sachs. GS is a symbol. We like this one for higher prices. Thanks for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys next time.